Hello everyone, yes, I am back. Now we will start a new chapter, chapter number 14, around India. Now, what we have seen around India? You have seen Taj Mahal, you have seen Fatehpur Sikri, so many students, not all have seen Salim Chisti's tomb, and so many things, so many places you have seen which are very beautiful. Now, here we will talk about in a form of Philips. Now, see the first one. First is Sufi son Salim Chisti's tomb in. See, this is the Salim Chisti's tomb. Where it is? Anybody knows? Yes, it is in Fatehpur Sikri. Where it is? In Fatehpur Sikri. Yes, very good. Now next one, a shrine like a chariot in. देखो ये chariot की तरह है ना. See, these are the wheels. Okay. It is Hampi. Where? Hampi. Now see, called the Taj of the Deccan. It is look like a Taj. Okay. What it is called? It is called Bibi ka Maqbara. Bibi ka Maqbara, Taj of the Deccan. It is called the Taj of the Deccan. What? Bibi ka Maqbara. Got it? Now see the D1. The Kailash Nath temple in. Where it is? Anybody knows? Ellora. Where it is? Ellora. Now next, carved rock in. Carved rock in Mahabalipuram. Where it is? It is in Mahabalipuram. See how beautiful it is. See? Now next, ruins of a center of learning in. Learning in, where it is? It is in Nalanda. It is in Nalanda. Now next, most of the students have seen this one, the Vivekanand Rock Memorial near. Vivekanand Rock Memorial near, where it is? It is in Kanyakumari. Where it is? It is in Kanyakumari. Got it? Next, in Bijapur, dome with rose-like base. It is dome with a rose-like base. Where it is? Anybody knows? It is called Gol Gumbad. It is called Gol Gumbaj. See what it is. Where? Fatehpur Sikri, Hampi, then Bibi ka Maqbara, then D1 Ellora, then E1 Mahabalipuram, then it is in Nalanda, then Kanyakumari, then Gol, where Gol Gumbaj. Got it? Now we will start. Continue. Gwalior fort built by the to whom? Raja Mansingh Tomar. It is in Philips. Okay, so answer is Raja Mansingh Tomar. Got it? Next, India's oldest mosque is. Remember, India's oldest mosque is the Charaman Jama Masjid. Got it? Next, see the third one. The Buland Darwaza is in Fatehpur Sikri. This you know, I hope so. Next, Elephanta caves are in Maharashtra. Understood? Next, skiing is a popular activity in Gulmarg. Okay. Jawaharlal Nehru's memorial is Shantivan. The highest airport in India is in Ladakh. Remember this thing. This you have to learn. This will come as a question, as a objective. Okay. The Arjuna beach is in the state of Goa. India's southernmost tip is in Indra Point. St. Francis Xavier's remains are kept in the Bom Jesus Basilica. Understood? Now this is in Philip's form. Maybe it will come in objective, it will come in question answers. Okay, what you have to do, you have to learn this, that where it, if I ask where Gwalior Fort was built by, Gwalior Fort was built by, who built the Gwalior Fort? Okay, like this. India's, which is the oldest mosque? You will write the answer. Okay, in a form of question answers also it will come. Got it? Now see the next one. Okay, this one we will tell you in the next video. Okay, bye bye students.